Good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So now still joining. Okay, once again welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So good morning, good morning, good morning Avinash, Avi, Prasanna, Swati Singh, Lala, Maruti Talluru. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So actually we shall be highly thankful to Mr. Maruti because actually he developed app for us, for our Sakala Vidya. He did good job. So all of us actually we need to congratulate him because this kind of Dattu Sharma, how are you Dattu Sharma? Yes, I hope you will be following my classes. Okay, you are welcome Dattu Sharma. Nazir, Manoj, Govind, Nazir. Okay, Nazir. Pavan Kumar. Yes, yes, yes. We need to congratulate Maruti. So, yes, Dattu. I could recognize you. Monsam Reddy. So I need this type of cooperation from you. I don't expect money from you, but we don't charge anything. Simply, it's a free classes, it's a mission. So you need to join in our mission. That's only for that sake only. Actually, I conducted a Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting is not classes. Once again, I clarify that one. Classes will be continued through YouTube session itself only. It's common. It's open to all. Anybody can join. Understood now? Okay, Nazir. One time is enough. Okay. Fine, 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 fine. Okay, Shankara Narayana. Govind. Now, Maruti, you can share that link through this chat now so that others get to know and others will download it. Simple brief description you give it. Okay, Suma. Pavan Kumar. Good morning, good morning. Thank you, thank you. Yes, yes, he developed app. For our app only. Sakal Vijay app. He developed Sakal Vijay app. Good morning, Seshadri. Lakshmi Prasad Sheshadri. Abhinav Saida Begum. Uppala Sai Teja. Okay, I will start within 5 minutes because still our regular viewers need to join. Understood now? Okay. Mannam Divya, Maulana Sheikh, Parveen Kumar, Ketam Reddy. Who is that Nazir? Okay, Supraja. One time is enough, Nazir. Greetings. Okay, okay. Mausam Reddy, you need to subscribe first. Like and share. Might be new class to you. Shiva Ganesh. No, through chat you need to share. Not now, Maruti. Better in the middle of the session, because in the middle of the session, after better, it may be in between 10 o'clock you share it. Okay, okay, Tata Reddy. Welcome, welcome. Who is that Nazir? How could I remember? I am, you are writing. Excited. Why should you excite? What is there? Nothing is there here. It's common. Rajabhushan Rao. Trirangi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Vaibhav Poturi, Murthy, Balu, Ramya. Okay, still joining. Gopalam Sai, after a long time. Uppala Sai Teja. Fine, fine. Am I audible to you, all of you? Screen is visible. Am I audible? Screen is visible to you. Our Mset is August 24th. Okay, no problem. Still we have a lot of time. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, now let us start. Let us start now. Let us start. Good morning, Balu. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. So question number 30. Question number 30. Yes. Janardhan would be just you joined. How could you ask such question? Okay, welcome, welcome. If data of 6i minus 3i 1 4 3i minus 1 23i equals to x plus iy, then First option x equals to 3, y equals to 1. Second option x equals to 1, y equals to 3. Third option x is equal to 0, y equals to 3. Fourth option x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay, good morning all. Okay. Okay, Murthy, I will. Right. So now, if det of 6i minus 3i 1, 4 3i minus 1, 23i equal to x plus iy, then we need to find out. So that means we need to expand the determinant of this matrix. First, let us find out actually determinant of this matrix and equate it to x plus iy. X is the real part and y is the imaginary part. The both sides real and imaginary parts are to be okay. Now the solution x plus iy equals to expanding by row 1 6i multiplied by the determinant of 3i minus 1 3i square plus 3, here minus of minus plus 3i into deleting this row, this column, 4i plus 20 and plus 1 into the determinant of 4 3i 23 12 minus 60i. Since I square is equal to minus 1, 6i times minus 3 plus 3, obviously this will be 0. This is 12i square plus 60i plus 12 minus 60i. This is 6i multiplied by 0. I square is minus 1, so minus 12 plus 60i plus 12 minus 60i. See here, plus 60i minus 60i gets cancelled, minus 12 plus 12 gets cancelled. So here we have, this will become 0. So 0 means this we can write 0 plus I into 0. So therefore by comparison x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That means real part is equal to 0, imaginary part is equal to 0. So that's why the fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right. Now 31st problem. 31st problem. If x plus iy equals to 1 upon 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then 4x square equals to first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 3. This is the question. Find, Sumant, find. Okay, if x plus iy equals to 1 upon 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then 4x square equals to. So that means actual method is actually the traditional method is, so we need to conjugate the denominator with 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Then we need to actually compare the real parts on both sides so that we get the x value. Generally x value will be 1 by 2. 2x is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides we get 4x square equal to 1. Okay. So that means now here if you just observe the options, first option, second option, third option, fourth option, they are independent of theta. Since they are independent of theta, we can select theta is equal to any value. So that means put theta is equal to 0 degrees now. Now the solution, since options are independent of theta. So let us consider, this is our plan. Let us consider theta is equal to 0 degrees or 90 degrees in general. Even 90 you can take it, or theta is equal to 0 degrees. So now this x plus iy becomes 1 upon 1 plus cos 0 degrees plus I sin 0 degrees, which equal to 1 upon cos 0 is obviously 1, sin 0 is 0. This becomes 1 upon 2. So this can be written 1 upon 2 plus I into 0. So now the comparing real parts on both sides, x equals to 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication takes place. So 2x is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, we get 4x square equals to 1. This is the desired answer. That means second option is the right option. This is the IPE question itself only. In IPE you might have done very lengthy method, but being this is actually Eamcet examination, sometimes we need to apply the easy methods also. I don't say tricky method or like that, easy method. This is the one of the easy methods you need to adopt. But sometimes we need to do lengthy method also, if necessary. 32nd. But I request you, all of you, don't expect shortcut for each and every problem. That may not be possible. So those shortcuts also you cannot remember. Better than that's the concept as well as the shortcut you need to remember. If 3 upon 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta equals to x plus iy, then x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals to x minus 1 times and next x minus 3 equals to, first option is y square, second option is minus y square, third option is 0, fourth option is 1. So that means actually here see the question, if 3 upon 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to x plus iy, okay, x plus iy, then x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals to y square minus y square, 0 or 1. So that means if you are able to express x minus 1 into x minus 3 in terms of y, or directly we get any numerical value. But here options are not all numerical values. Even though not numerical values, you can take theta is equal to 0 because it is x plus iy. So you can take theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi by 2. Even theta is equal to pi by 2 also you can take it now. So let us see. Solution. Let us suppose in this case theta is equal to 90 degrees, pi by 2. That implies x plus iy becomes 3 upon 2 plus cos 90. I am writing directly 0. Sin 90 is 1. I. 3 upon 2 plus I. That means now the 3 upon 2 plus I need to be expressed in x plus iy form, means it need to be that means we conjugate it. Conjugate means we need to conjugate, that is 2 minus I upon 2 minus I. Very simple, you can write 6 minus 3I upon, this is z into z bar, mod z square. Mod z square means a square plus b square you will get. 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 5. So therefore directly by comparing we get x is equal to 6 upon 5. Y will be minus 3 upon 5. Now let us come to the problem part. The given expression we need to evaluate, whose value is x minus 1 times x minus 3. So in this given expression, x is being replaced by 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5 minus 1 times 6 upon 5 minus 3. So let it be simplified. So taking LCM 5, that is 1 by 5 times, this will be minus 15 plus 9, minus 9 upon 5. This will be minus 9 upon 25 5. That means it cannot be equal to 1, 0, 1. These two options have been eliminated. Either that means either 1 or 2 you need to check. This again we need to express in terms of y. That means minus 3 by 5 we need to write it. This we can write minus of minus 3 by 5 whole square you can write. But minus 3 by 5 is replaced by y. So this equal to minus y square. That means second option is the right option. Second option is very important, not third option. Okay. Right. Thirty-three problem. 33. 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta one plus cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta is equal to x plus iy. Then y equals to yes, if you put theta you get x is equal to 1. That means actually ambiguity arises. Better you go for theta is equal to 90 in this case, in this problem, because actually options we have not independent of theta. That's why we need to write strictly that must be complex number. So that's why I selected instead of theta is equal to 0 some expression. That's why only remember in shortcut formula we have some restrictions are there. So we need to keep restrictions. That's why in this problem theta is equal to 0 is not entertained. First one, x tan of 3 theta upon 2. Second option, x times tan of 5 theta upon 2. Third, x times tan of 7 theta by 2. Fourth option, x times tan of 9 theta upon 2. In the previous problem, if you put actually even 90 also you will get it, but in this problem you won't get. That's you remember. Okay. So now before going to solve this problem, before before we before going to solve this problem, actually we are asked to find out here y value. This y value is actually imaginary part. Imaginary part means this left hand side should be put in this x plus iy form. Then we need to compare the y value. Okay, all of you wait for a while. First try to concentrate on this problem. After that I will switch over to the 31st and 32nd problem later. Okay, so now this problem substitution method cannot be entered in because the four options are not independent of theta. Theta is there here. So that's why let us proceed for actually here method only. So now x plus iy equals to, we can write 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus I times sin theta equals to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Again this 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So that means 2i sin theta cos theta. From these two we can take out 2 cos theta by 2 common. If we take 2 cos theta by 2 common, you get cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2, you will get it. From these two terms also let us take cos theta common. We have 2 cos theta common. We have cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Now we need to multiply these two. So that means now we can write this one as 2 cos theta by 2 into 2 cos theta. We get 4 cos theta times cos theta by 2. Okay, multiplied by cos theta and cos theta by 2. So this is okay, better I will do in easy method. This can be done easy method. Let me explain. All of you just observe keenly. So what is the easy method means? Here this cos theta by 2 I sin theta by 2 can be written cis of theta by 2. This we can write into cis theta we can write. Okay. We have one formula, cis A into cis B equal to cis of A plus B. Am I correct? Cis of A into cis B. Cis of A plus B you can write it. So these two we can write 4 cos theta by 2 or sorry 4 cos theta cos of theta by 2. We can write cis of theta by 2 plus theta, that is 3 theta by 2. Now expand it. Say instead of this 4 cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is equal to say k, no problem. Expand it this one, k cos of 3 theta by 2 plus I sin 3 theta by 2 right down. Now this is nothing but x plus iy. Comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. So we get y equals to k times sin of 3 theta by 2, whereas x is equal to k times cos of 3 theta by 2. Y by x right down. K times sin of 3 theta by 2 upon k times cos of 3 theta by 2. k gets cancelled. Sin by cos is tan. So tan of 3 theta by 2. But we need y. By cross multiplication, y equals to x times tan of 3 theta by 2. This is the answer. All of you check the methods. Just I assumed this is the fixed number, say k. We need to find out y upon x means k gets cancelled. Tan of 3 theta by 2. So y equals to x times. Okay. So tomorrow I shall discuss very clear manner. Okay. Now let it be continued class. (33) this is. Yes. Option 1. Okay. 34th question. 34th. 34th. If x plus iy all to the power of 1 by 3 equals to a plus ib, then x upon a plus y upon b equals to, first option 4 times a square minus b square, second option is 2 times a square minus b square, third option 2 times a square plus b square, fourth option 4 times a square plus b square. This is the question. Right. X plus iy all to the power of 1 by 3 equals to a plus ib, then x upon a plus y upon b equals to. So all of you concentrate on the class on this problem, because tomorrow I will explain regarding 31st problem and 32nd problem. Okay, now you need to concentrate. Please, we need to. Yesterday I didn't have. You didn't have the classes, so there will be the time waste. So that I will discuss. At least in the evening session also I will discuss this one. Don't worry. So now the 34th solution. Given x plus iy all to the power of 1 by 3 equals to a plus ib. So now x plus iy equals to a plus ib whole cube. Can I write this one? Okay, I hope you will understand this one. So now we have one of the algebraic identities, a plus b whole cube formula. What does a plus b whole cube expansion? What does it mean by this one? A cube plus b cube 3ab times a plus b. So now this can be written here, a cube plus b cube means I cube b cube plus 3ab I times a plus ib. I cube is I square into I. So minus I, this is a cube minus ib cube, because I cube equal to minus I. This is 3a square bi. This is 3ab I square is minus 1, minus 3ab square, you will get it. So now from these two and from these two we need to take common. From these two you take a common, you get a square minus 3b square. So from these two take out b common, that is plus b common. If you take b common, you get 3a square minus b square of I. So comparing x equals to this one and y equals to this one. So that means we get like this now. Now we get x upon a equals to a square minus 3b square, y upon b equals to 3a square minus b square. According to the problem, we need to add these two. X upon a plus y upon b equals to 3a square plus 3a square is 4a square minus 3b square and minus b square. We have minus 4b square. So shall we take 4 common? Yes, why not? Let us take 4 common. Get 4 times a square minus b square. Okay, you check any numerical errors are there? All of you can check it now. No problem. Let us wait for few minutes also. I already told you, even in Eamcet also we discuss IPE problems, but in the IPE textbook it may be there. But the same type of question may be asked for even National Defence Academy examination, Air Force examination, even KV, PY examinations, Eamcet examination, Ecet examination. For any entrance examination, these type of questions will be asked. The tentative questions I will discuss. Please don't actually, sorry, telling IP sums only. Thank you. Okay, Mona Lasek, I will give one question to you. You need to solve now. $35. So, Mr. Maulana Sheikh, if you get the tough questions, you need to chart in the offline session. Just you forward the questions, then I go through them. Definitely, I will do the such feedback. You might have actually noted that one. So, after completion of the session, just you forward the questions through the offline session. I will go through them. Then in the next session, I will discuss. If z is equal to x minus iy and z to the power of 1 by 3 equals to p plus iq, then x upon p plus y upon q upon p square plus q square equal to, first option 1, second option minus 2, third option 2, Fourth option -1. So Maulana, you might have not known. See, these questions are given in AIEEE examination. Previously, prior to the JEE mains, they used to conduct AIEEE examination. You might have not known. The question is taken, but I didn't mention the year question number. I could remember. This question is, you see any textbook, this problem is actually 35th question, 34th questions, or actually they are AIEEE. AIEEE means JEE mains level questions. Okay. Now first, yeah, just like previous question itself only, but simple change. Instead of plus minus is there, that we need to just look at the screen. X minus iy. Z to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to p plus iq. First, let us find out now. So now the z can be written as p plus iq whole to the power of 3. This we can write p cube plus I cube q cube plus 3pqi times p plus iq, because a plus b whole cube formula. Right. This equal to p cube, I cube is equal to minus I q cube. Narla, you leave him. You concentrate on this one because he knows everything, but he is asking intentionally. 3p square q I. This will be I square means minus 3pq square. This we can write now. P cube minus 3p square, p common, you get p square minus 3q square. Here take this time minus qi common, you get q square minus 3p square. So now comparing with here z is equal to x minus iy. So therefore x upon p, x upon this p equal to p square minus 3q square. Okay. Now y upon q, because minus minus cancel, we can compare. I cancel, y is equal to q times q square minus 3p square. Y upon q equals to q square minus 3p square. So x upon p plus y upon q equal to adding, so minus 4p square, because minus 3p square, p square. Here minus 3q square, here will be what we have actually, you need to check it now. From these two, what we have taken minus qi common. Minus qi common means minus 3p square. This will be plus q square. Okay, plus q square. Sorry, this is minus 2p square. Minus 2p square. And next minus 3q square minus q square minus 2q square. So minus 2 common, you have p square plus q square. Now what we need to find out now? Here see, therefore x upon p plus y upon q divided by p square plus q square is equal to minus 2. That means second option is the right option. So all of you check the methods. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it, because I don't go the back, that takes a lot of time. So don't worry, any difficulty you face, just type in the comment section. So then I will discuss in the coming session, following session. That will be the good, I think so. 36th question. 36th question. 36th question. If 1 minus I, 1 minus 2I, 1 minus 3I, and so on dash dash 1 minus Ni equals to x minus Iy, then 2 into 5 into 10 into and so on dash dash into 1 plus n square equals to first option x square plus y square, second option x plus y, third option x square minus y square, fourth option x minus y. This is the question. This is very simple question. Take modulus on both sides and squaring on both sides. You get the answer. So that's only the one method. So now one minus I times 1 minus 2I times 1 minus 3I times so on dash dash 1 minus I modulus equals to, you can write mod of x minus Iy. So that means modulus of z1 into z2 into z3 into so on zn is equal to mod of z1. Mod of z1 means root of 1 square plus 1 square, 2. This will be root of 1 plus 4. This will be root of 1 plus 9 and so on dash dash. This will be root of 1 plus n square equals to, this will be root of x square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So we get 2 times, 5 times, 10 times and so on 1 plus n square equals to x square plus y square. That's all. So first option. Bindu Reddy mentioned in the offline session. Okay, 36 problem. Shall I make a move? Shall I make a move? Right. Thirty-seven. If x equals to minus 5 plus 4i, then x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 equals to, first option is minus 170, second option is 160, third option is 170, fourth option is minus 160. Right. So now x equals to minus 5 plus 4i, then we need to find out x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 equals 2. Okay, that we need to find out. So that means here see the solution. Since x is equal to minus 5 plus 4i, you can write x plus 5 equals to 4i. Can I write like this? Now the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. we get x plus 5 whole square equals to 4i whole square. This directly we can write, everybody knows, x square plus 10x plus 25 equal to 16i square. I square is minus 1 minus 16. So we get x square plus 10x plus 41 equals to 0. With the help of this, we need to find out the value of this one. That means I will tell you one simple logic. One simple logic, let me explain. What is the simple logic means? Whenever this kind of expressions value are asked, just divide this expression, given expression, with this one, left hand side. X square plus 10x plus 41. It leaves some remainder. The remainder will be the answer. Obviously, that's all. So, who is Vamshi Kondur? Be within the limits. Right. Now, x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 is divided x square plus 10x plus 41. X to the power of 4 by x square, you get it, x to the power of 4 plus we have 10x cube plus 41x square. Simply subtract, minus minus minus, cancel. We have minus x cube minus this will be 6x square minus x and plus 4. Again minus x cube by x square, minus x, you get minus x cube minus 10x square and minus 41x. You need to subtract, plus plus plus, cancel. We have 4x square plus 40x plus 4. Now 4x square divided by 4x square, you have 4. 4 times x square plus 40x plus 4 1 ja 4, 164. Just subtract, minus minus minus. We have minus 160. So remainder is important. Just look at the remainder. This is the remainder. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Bindu Reddy, I already told you. Just after completion of the session, you whatever doubts you have, just type the comment section only. Now don't disturb me. Let the class should be continued. Thirty-eight. Yes. If z equals to 3 plus 5i, then z cube plus z bar plus 198 equals to, first option minus 3 minus 5i, second one minus 3 plus 5i, third one 3 minus 5i, fourth one 3 plus 5i. So we don't have any shortcut for this one, right? We don't have any shortcut for this one. We need to do itself only. That means z cube we need to find out. Z bar. Z bar means conjugate complex number of z. That is 3 minus 5i, and you need to simplify. There is no other method. Please try to understand. All of you, just you need to calculate it. That is, you need to do the speed calculations. That's all. So z equals to 3 plus 5i. Then we need to find out z cube plus z bar plus 198 equals to, that is a complex number. So we need to find out. First let us find out, simplify z cube. So z cube means 3 plus 5i whole cube. This is 3 cube is 27, 125 I cube, 9 into 45 I, 3 3 are 9, 9 5 are 45 I multiplied by 3 plus 5I. This will be 27 minus 125I, since I cube is minus I, 135I. This will be minus 225, because I into I square minus 1. So now we need to simplify this one. 225, 127. How much you will be getting? 8, 9, 98. This will be minus 98. 135 minus 125 is 10, 10i. Minus 98 plus 10i, z cube is. Okay. This is minus 198. Minus 198. Absolutely correct. Minus 198. So now, given expression is equal to z cube plus z bar plus 198. Z cube is minus 198 plus 10i. Z bar equals to conjugate complex number of this one, 3 minus 5i plus 198. 198 plus 198 minus 198 gets cancelled. We have 3 plus 5i. It's very interesting. Again z, we got z. So that means select the option yourself. What is the option? Yes, fourth option. A minus I upon 2, A belongs to R. That means A is a real number. A is a real number. Then modulus of I plus Z whole square minus mod of I minus Z whole square equals to, first option 2, second option minus 2, third option 4, fourth option minus 4. Okay, let Z is equal to A minus I upon 2, A belongs to R, then mod of I plus Z whole square minus of mod of I minus Z whole square. Okay, here options are independent of A. Understood now? Since options are independent of A, you can take A is equal to 0 because A is a real number. Because A is a real number. Okay. Right. Z equals to A minus I upon 2. A belongs to R. Then mod of I plus Z whole square minus of mod of I minus Z whole square. So let us do here trick. What is the trick means? Since options are independent of A, which is belongs to R. That is, say A equals to 0. Now Z becomes minus I by 2. Now let us find out given expression value. What is the given expression we have? Modulus of Zi plus Z whole square minus modulus of I minus Z whole square. Let us substitute Z value. Right. This is modulus of I minus I by 2 whole square minus modulus of I minus of minus plus I by 2 whole square. This I minus I by 2 is I by 2 whole square minus this will be 3I by 2 whole square. That means now what do you get now here? Here I square will be minus 1, but I square, sorry, mod I is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 upon 4 minus mod I square is 1, but 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. This will be minus 8 upon 4, whose value is minus 2. So please don't discuss with others. If you have any suggestion, just give the suggestion and leave it. But don't continue it. It's not a private chat. Only you need to concentrate on the problem. Right. All of you check your options first of all. I will wait for a while. Don't worry. Yes, option 2. Option 2 is the right option. Yes. Option 2 is the absolutely correct. A plus IB whole cube, not A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube formula is A plus B whole cube formula is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB times A plus B. This is the formula. Question number 40. Question number 40. If omega is an imaginary cube root of unity, then 1 plus omega minus omega square whole to the power of 7 equals to first option 128 omega, second option minus 128 omega, third 128 omega square, fourth minus 128 omega square. Okay, Pawan. No problem. Watch offline. Omega is an imaginary cube root of unity. Then we need to find out this value. Here see the solution. Given expression equals to, not given equation, given expression. Generally somebody may read as given equation, not given equation, given expression. 1 plus omega minus omega square raised to 7. So we have 1 plus omega square equals to 0. So we need to write 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega equals to minus omega square. That means instead of 1 plus omega, we can substitute minus omega square. Minus omega square all to the power of 7. This is minus 2 omega square all to the power of 7. This can be written minus 2 to the power of 7 times omega to the power of 14. But we need to find out omega to the power of 14. That means divide 14 by 3. 3 4 ja 12. What will be the remainder? It leaves a remainder 2. That means omega to the power of 14 is equivalent to omega square. So now the minus to the power of odd number is minus, you will be getting 2 to the power of 7 is 128, but minus 128, the omega to the power of 14 is replaced by omega square. So this is the answer. So which is the right option? Yes. So absolutely correct. Fourth option is the right option. But this omega questions are based on omega cube roots are very important, but you need to remember this shortcut. This is very important tip. Very important. 41st question. 1 minus omega times 1 minus omega square times 1 minus omega raised to 4, 1 minus omega raised to 5, 1 minus omega raised to 7, into 1 minus omega raised to 8 equals to. Akshita, Cheti, you watch part 1, part 2, part 3, you will get an idea. Part 1, part 2, part 3 of complex numbers. First option is 25. Second option is 36. Third option is 27. Fourth option is 30. Now from hereafter we need to simplify omega power 4, omega power 5, omega power 7, omega power 8 first. Omega power 4 means if 4 divided by 3, what is the remainder? 4 minus 3 is 1. Omega. Omega to the power of 5. 5 divided by 3, it leaves a remainder 2. Omega square. Omega to the power of 7 equal to 7 divided by 3. 3 to just 6. Omega. Omega to the power of 8. 8 divided by 3. 3 to just 6. 2 remainder. Omega square. Make use of this strategy now. Now the given expression becomes here 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square. This will be 1 minus omega. This will be 1 minus omega square. This will be 1 minus omega, 1 minus omega square. So we have like this 1 minus omega, 1 minus omega, 1 minus omega. Now we have 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square. So this can be rewritten as 1 minus omega times 1 minus omega square times whole cube. Can I write? So now let it be simplified now. 1 minus omega square brackets of minus omega plus omega cube whole cube. See, omega cube equals to 1. You remember this one. So now this can be written 1 minus of omega plus omega square, and omega cube is 1 whole cube right up. But very interesting factor, 1 plus omega square equals to 0. Omega plus omega square equals to minus 1. That means in the place of this minus 1 you can substitute. So that means 1 minus of minus is plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole cube. This is 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. 27. So all of you check it. So today evening by 4:30 we have the class on only complex numbers, because actually since for 2 days actually we don't have any classes, because I need to complete this syllabus complex numbers as early as possible. In the evening session also the same topic will be continued after completion of the complex numbers thoroughly itself only, so that I will start the probability chapter. So that way till then you need to wait, because even though you have the examination on August 24, don't worry, between the August 15 itself only I will complete total syllabus. Okay, right, thank you one and all, see you. So once again, if you have any doubts, please actually share your views through the comment section box itself only, not chat box. After completion of this one, this class will be recorded and offline session will be available in our channel. In that one you need to mention it. So partial fractions will be slowly continued, don't worry, because I need to make a plan myself, isn't it now? Okay, one more thing I would like to share one good news to you. So one of our subscribers, that means our volunteers, that means I mean to say everybody is our volunteer only. Mr. Maruti, Lala Maruti has developed app on behalf of our Sakala Vidya. He developed an app. So once again let us congratulate him. So I extend my good best wishes to Mr. Uh, Maruti to do more in your future also. So let us congratulate him. Thank you once again all. See you.